Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. How have to be? Welcome back dear friends my YouTube channel at a crochet pattern. Hopefully friends you will be fine. Have you spending good and lavish life? I introduce new and great ideas, beautiful handbags, design ideas that are completely different to each other. So friend, let's come. I shared with you in this video. In this video I introduce new and great ideas which are completely different to each other, and these ideas which are related to the crochet pattern. I hope you will begin different knowledge criteria to watching this video, and in this video I shared with you beautiful designs are completely different to each other. So friend, you will be enjoy different ideas to watching my video because it's are very beautiful and fundamental different design ideas in this video I shared with you in this video. I hope you will be enjoy my ideas. These are very beautiful, attractive and eligible makes crochet ideas, and you will be enjoy different type of knowledge criteria to watching this video because it's are completely different to each other. So friends, don't forget to subscribe my channel because it's are very unique and are different to each other. Hopefully you will be enjoy my ideas which I shared with you in this video. So friend, I hope you will begin different type of knowledge criteria which I shared with you in this video. It's are very beautiful and unique ideas. Friend, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel at a crochet pattern which I shared with you beautiful ideas. In this video I introduce new and great lavish ideas which are related to the crochet pattern, and I hope you will begin different type of knowledge criteria which I used different. In this video I shared with you beautiful ideas that are completely different to each other, and you will be enjoy different ideas. I hope you will be enjoy different knowledge criteria which are related to the crochet pattern, and these are very beautiful.